In this video, I'm going to share data analysis technique for last end day as well as previous end days. So for example, you will able to calculate total sale for last 7 days as well as previous 7 days, COUNTIF, what is the average order value for last and previous end days. Along with this, how to calculate the difference and the percentage difference. If I type here, let's say 15, it will calculate last 15 days total sales versus previous 15 days difference and percentage difference. So in this video, I'm going to cover each and everything in a very easy way. The first thing I want to show you what is mean by last end days versus previous end days. If I click on calendar, today is 25 January and the last 7 days mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 19 to 25 are the last 7 days. And what is mean by previous 7 days? So from 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 12 to 18 are the previous 7 days. The first thing I will apply here a very simple formula equal SUMIF open parenthesis. What is the range for your SUMIF? In this case, the order date is the range is for my SUMIF function. So I will simply move my mouse. Once the position of mouse change into arrow, just click and it will select the entire order date column. Hit comma. For the criteria, I will simply type quotation mark greater than equal to quotation mark again and %. Here I will type today open close parenthesis minus how many days you want to go back from today date. So we simply select K3 sales close parenthesis. I will hit comma. For the sum range I will select sale data column, simply select close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will calculate the last 15 days sale. If I click here 7, it will calculate the last 7 days sale. Now how to calculate the previous 7 days sale? So it's very simple. If I click here and copy this whole formula, Control C, hit escape key, double click on previous end day sale, Control V to paste the result, and now we will do a very little step. If I just multiply K3 with 2, so this means now the SUMIF function will calculate the last 14 days sale. If I hit enter, this is last 14 days sale. But actually we want the previous end day sale. Since we already calculate last end day sale, so we simply click here, click on formula bar, minus last end day sale, hit enter, and this is previous end day sale. Of course, if you don't want to reference I2 sales, you simply copy this whole formula, Control C, click here, remove the I6, Control V, and this is the single formula for calculating previous day sale. Now for the COUNTIF, I will use the same SUMIF formula with a little bit modifications. So simply copy the SUMIF formula, Control C, double click on COUNTIF, Control V, and we will change SUMIF to COUNTIF. So simply write COUNTIF instead of SUMIF. In COUNTIF, we have only range and criteria. So we will remove the sum range column, hit enter, and this is how we can calculate last end day total orders. To calculate previous end day orders, simply click on this formula, Control C to copy, apply the same step, double click, Control V, change the SUMIF to COUNTIF, remove the sum range column, change the second SUMIF, remove the sum range column, and this is previous end day total orders. Actually, the order mean total count of the date for previous end day. Now to calculate the average if for last end day and previous end day, it's very simple. Simply click here, simply type equal SUMIF result divided by total count, and this is the last end day average. Simply drag this formula to the right, and this is previous end day average. For the difference, it's very simple. Click here, last end day minus previous end day, simply hit enter, drag the formula down, click here, select fill without formatting. For the % difference calculation, simply type equal, select the difference sale M6 divided by previous end day sale. So simply click on this cell, hit enter, and of course we need to convert these value into a percentage. So simply click on percentage, drag the formula down, click here, fill without formatting. And now I will simply click on percentage. So this is how we can calculate the percentage difference. If I click here, let's say 15, this will calculate last 15 days total sale versus previous 15 days sale versus % difference. Of course, if you want to make these heading dynamic just like I show you, so you can simply use a very simple formula. Simply select the cell, go to formula bar, type equal, quotation mark here, %, select the value cell, quotation mark again, %, remove the end, leave the space, and one more quotation mark at the end, hit enter. And this is how we can create dynamic header. So if I type here 7, last 7 days, and I will do the same for previous end day. Now I will show you how to apply this type of conditional formatting. So for example, if I click 15, and since they are negative difference, so how we can apply these conditional formatting? Simply go to solution sheet, select the cells, go to conditional formatting, icon, simply click on this one. Now go to conditional formatting again, manage rule, click here, edit the rule. In this case, I will select number. 0 is fine when the value is greater than or equal to 0, greater than 0. So for this one, we don't want to see any of the icon, and for the less than 0, we will apply the red icon. Simply hit OK, apply, OK, and now you can see the conditional formatting icon. If I type here 15, this become red whenever the difference is negative. Now of course, the last thing is to apply the nice border. So how we can apply the nice border for our table? Select the corner rectangle, draw it till the size of the table, shape fill to no fill, shape outline. In this case, for the shape outline, I will select 6 point and again go to shape outline. For the color, I will use the similar color of the table, and now you can do a little bit adjustment, and this is how we can create the nice report. In the next video, I will show you a nice trend line chart for our same data sheet. We change the color when the difference is negative, positive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel for more video, and if you have any question, just write in comment. Thank you so much.